to our channel, the Geospatial Explorer. In last video we have seen about how to query a feature layer, and in today video we are going to see about how to add feature table to the web application. So basically, feature table, like when we have the feature on the map, we want to see the informations about that feature. Okay, basically we need some table kind of informations. We need to get detail about the feature. For that we are using the feature table. In ArcGIS JavaScript API, it is available as a widget. We will add the feature table as a widget, and we can which layer we want to show the informations in a table. That layer name you can provide, so it will automatically show the values available in the feature layer. And also, if you are having a table that is without geometry information, that table also we can show it with feature table. Now let's move to the code. So this is our web applications we have previously developed. In this application, just I have added the header tag, that's all. In previous tutorials, if you check previous videos on my YouTube channel, you can find out how to create this layer list, and how to, in my previous videos I explained about how to get a layer names from the web map, and how to display on this layer list widget. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add feature table to this application. Then we are going to do, like, whenever we change the layer name here, that related table needs to table informations needs to update on the feature table. This is what we are going to do today. So for that, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a feature table. Before that, we have to find out how to select a particular layer, okay, to add to the feature table. So in this I'm going to code, this is the code we have used to get the layer names. So I'm just removing the command. So let's check. We are getting the layers names here: parks, open parks, trails for bikes, trails and trailheads. Yeah, so layer list drop. Okay, so this one I'm going to add to the application. So here you can add. So like, if you want to add, if you are created any custom widget, so in that widget you can utilize as a Esri widget. That time you can add the class name as Esri widget. Then you can use the properties of Esri widget here. Like here you can add with whatever widgets you have created, custom widget. You can use this method to add to the our WebJS application. So let's check. Yeah, see, it is added to here. So now whenever we click here, uh, our table needs to update. Okay, before that, first we will add the feature table. So here you can go to the API reference and you can check for the feature table. So here this is the method to add the feature table uh, to your application. Okay, so for that we need to create one development for the table. So I'm just adding the table div element here. And you can set the style for table div. I'm just height I'm giving us 300. Okay, now we can copy the code from here for the feature table. Before that, we have to load the feature table. So just copy this, add it to your code. So we have to load models whenever we are going to use new models. Now you can copy the code from here. See here, in this layer property, we have to set which feature layer we want to show on the table. Suppose I already have some layer here. Okay, just for example, so I can use this layer here. Okay, now let's check whether that layer information loaded on the table. This is the administrative boundary information of India. So let's go to our application. Okay, it is added, but see that table is added. We can increase the height. Oh, sorry. I need to change here table div. So now that feature table was added to our application. This is how you can add the feature table to your application. Okay, in next video we can see about how to change the feature how to change the content related to the layers we are loading. When we change this layer names, that time that layer we will change the visibility of the layer as well as that content showed on the feature table, that also we will change. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel to more